Hello, motherfuckers. How the fuck are you? I present to you Flob driving in the blizzard. Because I can. We're in a parking lot right now. I done got my coffee. And taking my time because it's fucking slippery out. Front end of the car is sliding and I'm turning this fucking slow, as you can see. So yeah, it's not a little thing you want to fuck around with. Started snowing about maybe 9:30. No, it was 10:30. I'm sorry, it was 10:30. Started snowing by me. So I couldn't sleep, so I decided to take you all on a fucking drive with me. You know, I don't fuck around in this shit. I used to work in this shit all the time. So I had fun when I was able to work in it. But I figured I'd take you guys on a cruise. We're gonna go check out my hometown. It's gonna be a series of little videos tonight. Like I said, I can't fucking sleep and we got this blizzard coming in, so it's gonna be snowing for a minute. I'll tell you that much right now. Let's crank this down a bit. Fucking heat cooking myself and shit. But like I said, I was fucking bored, could not fucking sleep, so here you go. Flob in a blizzard. I probably won't say much because I'm gonna be driving and shit. Looks like somebody's already fucking slid off the fucking road up here. What the fuck are they doing? Yeah, they already slid off the fucking road. I'm moving over. Nope, they ain't some shit. Oh no, they pulled over, it looks like. But yeah, you can't fuck around with this shit, people. You can't drive like a fucking asshole. You can't drive like a maniac. Square Body knows what's up. You can't drive like a maniac in this shit. You gotta be prepared to feather the fucking brakes. Like, dude, you can't fuck around. It's no fuck around time, saying. I'm gonna crank up my heat a little bit. But yeah, these fucking people, some of these people, man, I don't even know what to tell you about some of these motherfuckers. They live out here, and then when all this shit drops, they fucking lose their goddamn fucking mind. Speed limit's 35, yeah. I'm coasting at like 28, dude. Yeah, I'm not fucking around in this shit. But yeah, we're on for a fucking journey, motherfuckers. Like I said, I can't sleep, dude. Maybe we'll go do some donuts. Don't tell the wife. I gotta clean the windows and shit. See, you got this fucking retard in the middle of the road. I'm gonna make him pick a fucking lane. You gotta pick a lane, bud. Like shit. Picka, picka, dicka. Pika, pika. You go a little quicker than 20. I mean, it's not that bad out, right? Or is that just me? Yeah, no, it's not that bad out. 5 minutes? That's not bad. Yeah, I used to love working in this shit, people. This was my fucking gig. I was up all night working in this shit, man. Let's see. Should we turn or go straight? What do you guys think? I think I'll turn. I'm not even going to try and beat you, bud. Go right on ahead. It doesn't let you slide. Little bit of brights for you guys. Look at that shit. Turn them off. You see the car up there coming. I'm not gonna lie, man. I fucking love this shit. Cart hit, bitches. I don't want to make myself even slide in this shit. Let's gas it. See, you could turn off the traction control, but I'm not gonna. I don't mind having traction control, man. Look at, dude, you can't see shit. Look at that. So you digging the slow cruise, motherfuckers, in the storm? Like somebody tried to do a donut in the middle of the goddamn. Wow, dude, you can't even see to the next fucking light. See, this is the shit I used to work in, man. Fuck, I keep saying it, but I fucking miss it, dude. I fucking miss it 100%. The wife's at home fucking sleeping. She's got to work tomorrow. Me, I ain't got shit to do. Don't fuck around too much. You gotta know when, you know, when a four-wheel drive can take it and when it can't, when you're gonna spin, when you're not. I'll tell you what, though, traction control in this thing is actually pretty fucking good. My 2017 Ford Edge SEL. I think that's SEL. Nice car. There's a place up here I used to fucking work at. Warehouse distribution place. Orders would come in, check the orders, break down the pallets, put them back together. We'll be at 10 minutes. Maybe I got enough time to get to the Coke plant and show you guys the fence that they put up because of me and my friends. Me, Nubs, and fucking Animal stole fucking syrup from the Coke plant that I'm about to take you guys past. Whether it be in this video or the next video, we're on our way there. There ain't nobody behind me, dude. Like, one car, you saw one car went past me, is fucking dead out. That's why I wanted to do this shit. There ain't barely anybody been down this fucking road. Little tip when you're driving in the fucking snow, use the snow to help slow you down. Look at this fucking idiot. That motherfucker almost slid through the shit, yo. But that's cool, because I ain't sliding through the shit. You know what? Go the fuck around me, dude. You want to drive like an asshole? Yeah, go the fuck around me. You want to be a fucking dickhead? I'm going to hit you with the fucking brights. I hope he fucking crashes. Legit, watch this guy crash. Please crash. Holy shit, I hope he fucking crashes, dude. Because literally you're going to see me take this camera out of the car and go laugh at this motherfucker. See, that's how you do it. A motherfucker starts riding your ass or they're doing something stupid like that behind you. You just fucking stop and let them fucking go. Don't even deal with the stupid. It's not even fucking worth it. Be careful. Take your fucking time. I can't stress it enough, man. Be positive. Don't be an asshole. You know, people want to drive fucking retarded, dude. You go ahead and you let them. You let them drive like a fucking goddamn dolt. And they want to drive like that, you fucking let them. I know it sucks, bro, but thank you for waiting, homie. And you're about to see the fence. You see the fence coming up there on the right? It used to be chain link, but they made it this big-ass security fence. That is put up because of me, my friend Nubs, and my friend Animal. You see the fucking pull in right there, right? Right before the yield sign. We pulled in that motherfucker, grabbed a fucking shit. I almost said a case, but we grabbed like 2 or 3 boxes of fucking syrup, which we didn't know you needed the carbonated shit to even use it. But we grabbed that shit, right? Threw it in my fucking car, and drove away. Almost got stopped by one of the workers in one of the Coca-Cola semis. And a few weeks later, my mom's all like, yeah, you got a phone call from Coca-Cola. Did you fill out an application? I was like, no. Maybe. So yeah, that's the fucking story behind that. But yeah, there's the story behind the coke plant there. That's what me and my friends did. I ain't saying, we weren't fucking perfect, but we weren't no goddamn ne'er-do-wells. I mean, shit, we gave a fuck about our hometown, I'll tell you that. We didn't destroy shit in our hometown. We did stupid shit, but we never destroyed shit. We at least respected our shit in our hometown, and other people's shit. And that big ass parking lot. You see that giant ass parking lot? Yeah, there's big ass fucking parking blocks all over the place. I'd love to see a motherfucker go through there and try and whip it. It'd be absolutely fucking hilarious. See, this is why you don't do that shit. I thought for sure it was going to be an accident right there. Go ahead, bud. I am in no motherfucking hurry. It's like, I am in no hurry to get into an accident. How about that? So what are we on? 16 minutes. I'm about to take you guys past one of the busiest intersections in the area. I wonder if fucking Hampy's Towing still has the tow shop back here. Maybe we'll check on that later. I think you people are in the wrong grooves. That's okay. These people know it's a fucking double turn lane. It's a... What the fuck? You dumb fucking piece of shit. It's a double turn lane. Jesus fucking H Christ, man. Holy fuck. It's literally a double fucking turn lane. Oh shit, you're not gonna slide, bud. Fuck. I didn't know. I don't think that dude knew it was a double fucking turn lane. Fucking fucked me up, bro. But yeah, that's that's why you gotta keep on your toes, I come up to a light, I put everything down. I ain't got nothing in my hands. I'm paying attention, and I couldn't tell you how many times, dude. Almost got into a fucking accident for some stupid shit. But fortunately, I was paying the fuck attention and what the fuck I was doing. Look at all them grooves in the road, son. Woo. There's a place right here on the left. Can't really see it. It used to be called Ray's Towing. Oh, it's still Ray's Auto Care. The guy Pops got fucking shot there. Fortunately, I wasn't working there at the time. Otherwise, I probably would have got shot too. Because the dude would go to the bank, grab fucking, fucking $8,000 in fucking cash to pay all the fucking drivers. That didn't make any sense. I ain't scared of no fucking plow truck. gonna drive past the old toboggan, and maybe I'll show you guys it'll still be there. Watch what the fuck you're doing, asshole. Pay the fuck attention. What the fuck? Look at him! Fucking swerving! Dumbass! What the fuck? You fucking beep at me when you're the one fucking swerving, no signal in a fucking blizzard, you stupid piece of shit. So that's what? I've been out a half an hour, encountered 2 fucking dumbasses. 20 minutes of recording. Unfucking real. It's not my fault you got a car you can't fucking control, or you bought a car that's fast and you don't know how to fucking control it in a fucking blizzard. You stupid fucking piece of shit. You go ahead, beep at me all you fucking want. I'm gonna be just fucking fine because I'm not driving like a fucking asshole. Little bit of normal road gone. Oh, do we go straight? Or do we turn? Take you down one of the... I'm gonna turn really quick and take you down one of the roads that I've been down, oh my god, countless fucking times. See, they're all still back there because they're fucking stupid. They don't know how to drive in the snow. Yeah, there's a pole somebody hit right there. Yeah, they nailed that shit, dude. I saw it last time. Last time I was out in my hometown. This parking lot, this is a giant parking lot right here. Big, big, big. Got the plows out. I'm telling you, it's gonna. Oh, look at it. I'm hitting it. I'm hitting it. I'm doing it. Oh man, I'm so glad I fucking came out. But I got no money. I got no way to make coffee. Fucking shit. That's okay. I'm still enjoying myself. This here is one of the roads, like, fuck. If you lived in this town, you've been down this road hundreds of thousands of times, or thousands of times, whatever the fuck you want to say. Like we're going to make the green light. Damn, they didn't even get to these streets yet, yo. Oh, we got fresh powder, motherfuckers. Oh, look at that. I walked down this street so many fucking times, dude. It's not even fucking funny. Like, not even fucking funny, man. Fucking car won't let you not traction control. Oh god, that dip is still there. Jesus Christ. Look, there's a dip in the road. I just went around. We were in a buddy's van called Coho 1. That was the plates on the van. And he hit that dip at full speed. One of the people we were with bounced in the air and came down and fucked up her back for the rest of her fucking life. I'm not kidding. The rest of her motherfucking life. Here's the railroad tracks. If you go to the... Look, I'm showing you really quick. If you go down the tracks that way, right? That's the way we used to walk all the time. There's a little back road right there still. Man, check this out. This is nuts, dude. I'm tempted to take this car right down the fucking railroad tracks. I ain't even fucking lying, dude. I don't even give a fuck. Oh, I'm gonna take you down one of Blue Island's fucking crazy alleys. Here we go. This isn't it. We're gonna go hit it real quick, and then we should have some time. We'll come back to the toboggan. But this is an alley. Houses and shit. Blah blah blah. One of the little back spots of fucking Blue Island alleys. People's driveways. These are pretty nice little houses out here. I had a friend who lived over here when we were younger. How these puddles are not frozen is beyond me. So we got to go up this way. Now watch this shit. Flop, that's somebody's driveway. Yeah, you would think that. If you didn't grow up in this fucking town, you wouldn't even know that. Yeah, it's bumpy. Alright, you ready for this? This is just one of the little fun alleys in Blue Island. Little tight ass fucking squeeze. Look at the speed bump up there. Look how it goes up. You see that shit? You see that hump, right? I had a friend hit this at fucking 40 miles an hour. Got a nice little foop right out of this motherfucker, dude. Yeah. Not an exit, but guess what? There ain't a soul around. Square body, I'm gonna figure out how to take the traction control off of this motherfucker, bro. Up here on the right is one of my old schools. What are we at here? 28 minutes? Alright. We're gonna pull in front of my old school. We're gonna cut film. This is my old school. This is where I shattered my fucking wrist, dude. Alright, people, we gonna cut camera. I'm gonna go out and about my drive. Y'all have a good fucking night. Deuces, bitches.